them I got do ya know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And my people, I have a video for share it to the people, and you know what I mean? In a certain part of the video, we have to kind of block out certain things. But basically, the people who work with the audio from them video and the clippings, them, you see it. That's so the thing I got people. Because we just want to put the awareness out there. You understand what really are going on. And this is about an incident that happened in Jamaica, my people. You know what I mean? And before I say nothing more, people, what I do? Just I go play the video. So watch the video here, people.
When throw a piece for your blood clot. Leave me alone. Leave me. Pull the blood clot door. Pull the door. Pull the door. Pull the door. No man, and pull the door, you know here. Are you want war? Are you want blood clot war? Are you want war? Are you want war? Move your blood clot. Move your blood clot. What? What? Move your blood clot. Are you want war? You have to pull the door. Pull the blood clot door.
You can't get up?
No. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing because my skin strip out my skin. And my mouth, my tongue, Lord God, the woman does everything for me anyway. And my mouth. See there? How me I go do now?
Me and we
You
open
open the chair, open the chair.
Yeah.
Open the chair and make me see. Because you have to wipe it out first.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you what I go on. In this video, it's a Rasta man, right? Yeah, man, long Rasta man with them lock span he made people. But basically, when I look on the man in the video, people, him 2 foot them cut off. Him not foot, you understand? Yeah, man. And this man basically have a helper, according to the information we have come to NEWLINK. And the helper people, that's how the helper treat him. You understand? Or the caretaker, whether a family member, whether him wife or so, a she responsible, take care of him or something. And see how they should do people. That's piece. Yo, me never want to talk about the thing, my viewers and subscribers. Me say me never want to talk about it. When me see the video, people, tears come on my eye. You understand? And for know how the condition where a man can in at some time, people. The man comes a boom on him too, look how numb foot them people and I try crawl for going in a wheelchair. The man take it and dash it aside. Eh? Honestly. So you see, we have some cruel and vicious people out there. We know, so we talk about them man, them when they're wicked people. We see when they talk about them lamb pile something, yeah. You understand? Them need to get them attack when them forgetting the people. And a straight attack for that woman there, you know. Yo, you want to see the condition, people. I told me can't show on a certain part of the videos this summer. Me tell you now, the condition of how the woman deal with the man. Eh? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. My viewers and my subscribers, what is really going on? Look on, we look a country called Jamaica. Why so much things, people? On a daily basis. Where the heart of love there. Where the heart there where we used to care for our brothers and sisters. When you see a man out there, some people and him can't walk, go there, that comes a boom and give me a shoulder and make him hold on upon him and carry him go around there, so. When I see the lady a walk and she have 3 scandal bag and she has strained with them, you had to grab 2 from her or grab 1 and take off the pressure off her. You understand? Where the heart they have love, people. Where they for our brothers and sisters, where we have to deal with people, so we not think about the Almighty again. Remember, you know, people, God tell us to love our brothers and sisters. You can't see a man a trying man, a man who did the people upon him last. The man foot them, say, oh my world, my precious NEWLINK. Attack for you. No man. So this a man have no look a picnic or something in other family. That's him have to be in a condition like this, my people, and I go through this. The man lose him 2 foot, people, they home. And where him stand, they understand, I get somebody to care for him or something, people. And this is what him I go through. You see why sometimes I tell the viewers and subscribers that I see a lot of people out there, they're homeless, you understand? And when I hear the story behind it, you that hear so the man there, you know, when I no foot the man there who blind, you understand? I want big house you have to run so you know, see your wife take over your house and thing, and family members take out your house and him dip on the street, you know what? And when you see him on the street, people, him, even though him not so 100, but him look better because you know, say if him did there with them finish him off long time. You understand? And the treatment with them a game. It is cruelness, people. Honestly, there's no way me could have support somebody like this or ill treat somebody like that. Attack. Where they love the people, where they are there. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK viewers and subscribers. Me say when me say the thing, people, tears come on my eyes. I can't believe. Zine. But as me tell people, you know, we dip on earth and we feel say, yeah man, we're mighty and we have this powers and we can do this and do that to our brothers and sisters. But remember, me telling you this. You say, Jah, there is an Almighty up above. And him a look down upon we. You understand? So when we feel like, yeah, we go down, we have the powers and we can hype and do certain things. And Jah nah say we, man. Remember, time is the master. You hear? Time will tell. And about the believe say all of them something on the dip on earth I do. It a go last ever. No. The wickedness, the cruelty so now do. It soon be over. You hear the song say? It soon be done when troubles and trial and I get home on the other side. I'm gonna tell all my people good morning. Yeah man. Just remember the attacking boss telling that. Viewers and subscribers, more love my people and more respect. And thanks to the love people, thanks to the support, thanks to the like, thanks to the share, thanks to everything, the comment, my viewers and subscribers. Thanks for the day one fans, them, you understand, who support the attacking boss. Thanks to everybody who follow the thing. I know say NEWLINK is a vlogger who comes to people and always put the positiveness out there and get the people and the righteous way out to go forward. You understand? Because no matter when we share certain topic, people, we always tell the people and to do the right thing. You understand? We always try to put the people on the right path. You know? Some people sometimes consider the thing as a NEWLINK you're preaching. You have to stop preaching, but you don't understand. You understand? This is not about where the attacking boss can just come, put up some video, do some, you know what I mean, and randomly share and run some joke with it and no. We are doing this for a better Jamaica, for a better Caribbean, for a better lifestyle of our people. You understand? And that is what the attacking boss is all about, people. A change, a difference for our brothers and sisters. And that's why when I say things like them are my people, it do pain my heart. It do make me feel like we are people. You understand? I mean, know anybody who watch or come across it, people, they're going to feel the same way too. Once you have a heart, a good heart, you understand, and you have a mind and a good mentality. Just remember me telling that, people. More love, my viewers and subscribers, and more blessings. And just be safe, my people, and just do the right thing. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, my people. Love, respect. Big up. I'm out.